Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate your comments, your time and your suggestion. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. On today's recipe, we are making Koose today. And here are the ingredients I use in preparing my Koose or Akara. My black-eyed beans, my water, my onions, eggs, spring onions, salt and fresh pepper. Please, the eggs are optional. If you don't eat eggs, you can omit the egg. It's not by force or compulsory to add eggs to your Koose or Akara. So to begin with, I am going to soak my beans overnight so that I can peel off the skin of the beans easily. After 24 hours of soaking, my beans is soft now and I can peel off the skin without any difficulty, as you can see. Okay, depending on your choice, you can soak your beans 3 hours or 8 hours. Okay, but I soaked my own 24 hours. So I'll introduce my earthenware to help me peel off the skin of my beans. Okay, and my eta. Sorry, I don't know the English name of this one too. So just do it gently. Don't mount a lot of pressure on it. Okay, just see the way the skin are peeling off. It's very easy. Do it gently. We don't want our beans to break. Okay. It's very easy if you have your Iowa or eta, Iowa and eta, to do this method of peeling off the skin of your beans. So please, if you don't have the earthenware or the Iowa and the eta, you can also go by this method, like using a grater to help you peel off the skin of your beans. I actually learned this one from Sweet Ajele. Thank you so much, Sweet Ajele, for sharing with us this method. So you take your beans and then you use it on it, like the way you grate maybe cassava, but don't put a lot of pressure on it. Okay, see the way it's peeling off easily. I have beautifully removed the skin of my black-eyed beans. It's very nice. And so I'm about to blend my beans, but before the onions, I'll add the onions and my fresh pepper. As you can see, I have divided it into two because the pepper is very hot and I don't want too much pepper in there. So then I'll add, and then the water I'll also add it as well. So this is the beans, the pepper and the onion. I'm going to transfer them into my blender and blend all of them. Okay. After blending, this is what I had. Okay. So it's supposed to be in a paste form like this. And as you can see, I have divided it into two. I'll put one egg and the other no egg. So for you to see that putting egg in your Koose or Akara is an optional. Okay, so right now I'm going to put the egg in one, as you can see. And I'll add my salt to taste. Please be careful with the salt. Okay, and you can put according to your taste. And for our Koose to be crunchy, we need to use whisker to whisk it for about 5 minutes in order for our Koose to become soft and fluffy. So as you can see the way I am doing it, 5 minutes. So you take them out when it is golden brown. So you have to flip it over. It's now golden brown. So I will take them out. It's ready. I'm done with my Koose or Akara. Okay, it's very nice and delicious. You can try at home to prepare your own Koose or Akara. As you can see, this is the one I added egg, and this is the one without the egg. So see, very nice and crunchy as well. And this one too, see, perfectly the way I wanted it. Okay, you can serve this Koose with your Hausa koko or bread. We also enjoy Koose with bread, like the way I have done it. Okay, you put your Koose in between your bread and then you enjoy. Okay, it's very, very nice. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and I am very much grateful. See you next time with another recipe.